Here is a great pose if you have a headache. You will be headache-free after you do this pose. I'm Nora Day. You need to be by a wall. So I always put my mat right up against the wall, and you will need a pillow. This is how you get into this pose. We're gonna put our legs up the wall. So I like to get as close as I can to the wall. So my body is touching the wall. All I have to do is spin around, bring my legs up, and before you lay back, I want you to scoot your bum in. So now I'm all the way against the wall before I lay down. Come down to your elbows. Come all the way down. You have your pillow next to you. So I want you to lift your bum up and put that pillow underneath you. So this is an important step. Put this pillow here so you elevate here and legs up the wall. So ideally you want your hips and your bum higher than your head. Some of you could even use 2 pillows if you like. So now with this elevation, take your arms overhead. I want you to sit here for about 15 minutes. If you have a headache, this restorative pose, legs up the wall, will help you relieve the headache because your legs are up, draining down. My rear end and my hips are higher than my head, and my head is completely in a relaxed position. Nice thing to do is close your eyes. Start out taking a few exaggerated deep breaths, taking a big inhale and exhale. Start relaxing your arms and your hands. Let this become just a quiet meditation. So let the pose do the work. You don't have to do anything. You're already here. Let the pose ease your body and relax you. After your 15 minutes, you can open your eyes, start bending the knees. They've been up there a while, so come slow motion, bend the knees. Roll all the way over onto your side. I just roll on over. Press on up. And you will be super calm. Your head is really relaxed in that position. And it's a beautiful thing to do if you ever had a headache. It's also a great way to go to sleep. It's so calming, you might even fall asleep in the pose. So this is a wonderful before bed pose as well. See you guys next time.